If accurate temperature and humidity are important to you, then the Weather Channel's Comfort Meter from Lacrosse Technology gives you all the information you need at a glance. With its internal sensor, the Comfort Meter records indoor temperature. View the information on the large LCD display. The Comfort Meter also gives you precise indoor humidity information. Relative humidity level is displayed to the 0.1%. A corresponding bar graph makes the information easily understandable. With updates every 8 seconds, the Comfort Meter responds rapidly to any changes in your environment. You'll always know the most accurate temperature and humidity. Minimum and maximum data for both temperature and humidity are stored by the Comfort Meter. A convenient indoor comfort indicator icon gives you the information you need to control your heating and cooling system. A low battery indicator ensures that you're never without the indoor weather information you need. Stand the Comfort Meter on a table or mount it on the wall. Its sleek design makes it perfect for home or office. Want accurate indoor temperature and humidity information? Then consider the Weather Channel's Comfort Meter from Lacrosse Technology. Lacrosse Technology, technology tools for home and office.